What's up everyone, today we're taking a look at a mouse that claims to provide superior performance and comfortability as well as being ergonomically better for you than a normal mouse. This is the RBT computer mouse by QuadraClicks. So the main difference between this and any other ordinary mouse is the way you click. The left and right click buttons are raised up quite a bit and you hit them with the middle of your finger. While this does sound kinda weird, it's honestly not that hard at all to get used to and it'll probably take you about a day. For everyday use, it works perfectly fine. For gaming, it also works well, except for the fact that your max click speed is most likely going to be reduced by a little bit, just because of the method of clicking. My personal speed was set back around 1 click per second. Looking around the mouse, besides the right and left buttons on the top, you have your scroll wheel, which feels good, as well as a middle button, which by default changes the DPI. But you can remap everything and customize some other stuff in the companion app on PC, which I'll cover in just a bit. Also on there is a customizable light, which I'll also be talking about in just a bit. Looking at the left side of the mouse, there are 2 more buttons which out of the box function as back and forth buttons. On the other side there isn't anything, but you might notice the indents and stuff which help make this thing a bit more comfortable to hold in your hand. Finally, on the bottom you have a switch to turn the lights on and off, and there's 2 plastic bars which really help this mouse slide around super smoothly. All the buttons are very clicky and easy to reach. If we go into the computer app, we are greeted with a preview of the mouse so you can see what buttons you're programming. And on the upper left side, you have your area for actually programming everything. Under that is your button for opening the macro manager and 2 sliders for X and Y axis sensitivity. On the right side, you have sliders for changing each DPI step, 3 lighting options including static, breathing, and neon. And those sliders to the right either change the brightness or the speed of the animation. There's an option to change the report rate from 4 presets, the mouse speed, double click speed, and some other customization for the scroll wheel. Overall, pretty good app with lots of useful customization. The build quality is pretty decent. The upper area is your average plastic, while the sides are this really nice soft touch plastic, which feels good and still remains grippable. This thing has an average weight, so it feels pretty normal moving it around, and the USB cord for the mouse is about 6 feet long, and it's made out of a durable roped material, which I like much more than your typical plastic cord. So one of the main selling points of the RBT mouse, which stands for right above touch, is that it's both more ergonomic and comfortable than others. As for ergonomics, the mouse is supposed to reduce stress in your wrist, hand area, all around there. After using it for quite a while, I would have to say that I'm not noticing a huge difference, but there is definitely some improvement in reducing the strain of the hand. For comfortability, I wouldn't say this is the epitome of modern mouse comfort, but it is indeed a comfortable mouse to use, largely since there is a bit more ease on the hand, not having to curve it at all. The only problem I've ever really had with this mouse is that after around a month of use while playing games, there would occasionally be times where I would press the right click button in a weird spot and it wouldn't respond. This happened pretty rarely though, so I wouldn't think anything of it. All in all, the RBT mouse goes for $65, which I think is an acceptable price for something like this. It offers improved ergonomics compared to others, good comfortability, RGB lighting, extra buttons with all buttons being reprogrammable. Its software side is highly customizable, decent build quality. So overall, I think this mouse should definitely be a consideration for more ergonomically concerned people. Thanks for watching. The link to this mouse is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.